Welcome to solverfy.
All right, we want to decide if the number 2 is in these sets. So before we do that, let's talk about what integers are. So integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Okay, usually called Z for the German word for integer. Okay, so it's ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... Okay, A. Oh, and what about this fancy R thing? That's the real numbers. So that's all the numbers that don't have an I with them. Okay, all the numbers on the real number line. Okay, is the number 2 in here? Is 2 a real number? Yes. Is 2 an integer? Yes. Here it is. Is 2 an integer that is greater than 1? Yes, it is. So yes to this one. 2 is in there. B. Is 2 a real number? Yes. Is 2 the square of something? Yes. It is the square of the square root of 2. Is the square root of 2 an integer? No, it is not. Okay, 2 is the square of a number that is not an integer. So 2 is not in this one. Okay, remember, integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Square root of 2 is not one of those. Okay, is 2 in this set? In part C? Well, in this set, you have, think of this as a grocery bag. In this grocery bag, you have thrown the number 2, and then you have thrown another bag, and inside that bag is the number 2. So is the number 2 in there? Yeah, there it is. Yes. All right. Let's get this out of the way so I can draw this one bigger. Because my guess is this is the one that's confusing to you. Although, if you didn't know what an integer was, then you might have trouble with the first two. All right. Okay, in this grocery bag here, okay, the red part is this grocery bag that I'm drawing. There is a green bag, and in this green bag is the number 2. All right, and then there's also another bag, and it is a blue bag. And in this blue bag is the number 2 and a green bag with the number 2 in it. All right, do you see the number 2 floating around in that bag anywhere? No. You see a bag with a 2 in it. You see another bag with a 2 in it and another thing, but you don't just see the number 2 like we did in this one before I circled it. It was just the number 2 just floating around in there. So this one, no, 2 is not in there. There's a bag with 2 and a bag with 2 and another bag, okay, but not the number 2. So when they're asking that, you are looking for exactly what they're asking for. Okay, so how about this? Is it in this one? Yeah, there it is right there. Is it in D? Yeah, there it is right there. Okay, what if I put some more brackets on it? Okay, that's not in either one of them. Okay, because there's nothing in either one of them that has 2 brackets around it. Okay?